नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों। वर्जिन अटलांटिक की उड़ान में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मेरा नाम जूही है। मैं एक विमान कर्मी दल हूँ और आज हम लंदन जाएंगे। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juhi. I'm a cabin crew who only flies to London. So that introduction was in Hindi, and that is how we do our announcements. They require cabin crew who can translate when people speak in Hindi in most of their flights. Today I'm going to tell you all about Virgin Atlantic Airlines, how I applied, what has changed now. Before I proceed, I would like to tell you a few things about me and my history with aviation. I started my journey being a cabin crew exactly 10 years ago. In 6 days I'll complete 10 years in as a cabin crew. So time flies. So I started with Jet Airways. That was my first airline, and then sadly it shut down, and I moved to Indigo Airlines for a very brief period of time. But then I kept applying for other airlines as well, international airlines, because that was my main goal. So when I applied for Virgin Atlantic, I got through. मैंने अपने Instagram में आप लोगों से पूछा था कि आप अपने questions मुझे भेजना, so that I can put all of those questions in this video for you guys. So these are the questions. I've written it down like this because मैं अपने phone पे ही record कर रही हूँ सब कुछ, और it will be easier for me to see it like this. I want to tell you कि ये video किन लोगों के लिए है. ये वीडियो उन सब लोगों के लिए है जो एज अ कैबिन क्रू फ्लाई करना चाहते हैं. फ्रेशर, नॉन फ्रेशर, जो लोग अब और कैबिन क्रू नहीं है, जिनको प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है as a cabin crew, people from all walks of life. Basically, my mom can also apply for this role because she is 18 plus. She has an Indian passport. When she applies for UK visa, she will eventually have the right to live in the UK. Let me tell you about Virgin Atlantic Indian cabin crew. I'm a Virgin Atlantic Indian cabin crew, which means that I get to stay in my city, which is Delhi, and I fly from here only to London. Virgin Atlantic has 3 bases, which is Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. हम थोड़ा सा Virgin Atlantic के बारे में बात करते हैं. Virgin Atlantic is an airline which has its headquarters in UK. If you don't know about Richard Branson, who's the founder of Virgin, he has a very flamboyant personality and very charming. I think everybody will be inspired by him. Just like him, the airline also conveys these kind of, one of the tagline that they have is screw it, let's do it. It's a very funky tagline, and I like it. Atlantic में India based 2000 में start हुआ था, year 2000, and so it's been 25 years of Delhi base. All over Virgin Atlantic को 41 years हो गए हैं. So that's a little bit about Virgin Atlantic. Let me tell you about my interview experience. So I gave my interview in December 2019. I had to leave Jet Airways in May 2019 because it had shut down. So I resigned from there and I had applied for Indigo. While the interviews were going and the trainings were starting, I had already applied for Virgin Atlantic. And I mean, I had to have a job as soon as possible because I needed the money. I needed to pay my bills and rent. Usually Virgin Atlantic बहुत कम intervals में interviews लेते हैं. They came to India after a very long time and I had no faith that मेरा हो जाएगा, but I still gave the interview. And उस time पे बहुत लोगों ने interview दिया था because I mean, half of the airline fraternity was jobless, I think, because of Jet Airways. And it was a very tough time, but still I got through, which was a good thing. So I went to their website and they have a Virgin Atlantic career section. And there you can find, if they are conducting interviews, then you can find the tab, and when you go to that, you fill up a form, you fill a few questionnaires, you agree to all the criterias like having a valid passport, Indian valid passport. Then once I was shortlisted for the video interview, they had like 3-4 rounds in that video interview. There were few questions which were mostly about why do you want to continue being a cabin crew. Then I had a question about which place in India you like and why. And then in the video round, so what basically happens is there is a pre-recorded video and then they will ask you something. Once they ask that question, you get a 30 seconds of buffer time to think about the answer, and then suddenly your video is on and you have to answer. So that happened, and they asked me about similar questions around cabin crew, and then they asked me about a difficult passenger on board. They knew that I am an experienced cabin crew, so they asked me questions that were relating to customer service. The last segment was about translating an announcement. So they played a clip where the captain was making an announcement. You had to grasp the words like really quick, and then you have again 30 seconds of time, and then you get a video where you have to translate it in Hindi. So the announcement played in English language. Obviously I made it to the next round, which was the face to face round. For the face to face interview, we were invited to Delhi Pullman Hotel. लोग गए वहाँ पे, and पहला राउंड था to give our introduction. It was a very friendly environment because मुझे याद है that there was this poor girl who had come little late and she was very nervous. पर उसको literally वहाँ पे जो interviewers थे उन लोगों ने उसको बिठाया, पानी पिलाया, and they were very sweet to her. They were like, don't feel nervous, it will be all right, just give your interview, we're all here for you. And they were very encouraging. That's the way they behave. Every staff on board as well, their ground staff, everybody is like that in Virgin Atlantic, which I love. So they had interviews in batches, like हम लोग शायद सेकेंड या थर्ड बैच में गए होंगे. सो ऐसे ग्रुप्स में इंटरव्यू थे. तो हमारे ग्रुप में like maybe 20-25 people were there. So all of us gave our introduction, and then they asked this question: what is that secret or quality that nobody knows about you? And I gave a very Ananya Pandey answer. I gave, I told them that I can touch my tongue to my nose. Some of my friends who we gave our interviews together, and उस time पे हम एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते थे इतने अच्छे से, but now they remember and they're like, oh yeah, I gave that answer, and they asked me, okay, do it in front of us, and I had to do it. And there are people who gave answers like, I eat soap. So it was like a fun session. वो वाला round हो गया, right? They divided us in 4 groups, and then they gave us like 3 minutes to prepare a presentation on a certain topic relating to Virgin Atlantic. I would say I had studied like a little bit about Virgin Atlantic before going for the interview. तो हमारे ग्रुप में 4 लोग थे शायद, तो उसमें से एक कोई था जो बोले ही जा रहे थे वो, एंड उनको इंटरव्यूअर्स को बोलना पड़ा कि यू नो योर टाइम इज गोइंग टू एंड, गिव अदर्स चांस एज वेल. तो उनका नहीं हुआ था बाद में सिलेक्शन. यू हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड दैट while you are keeping your points forth, you have to give chance to others as well. So, and उसके बाद जो राउंड था वो था 1-on-1 राउंड. So there were 5 interviewers, and तो पांचों अलग अलग डेस्क पे बैठे हुए थे कि आप एक एक करके हम सबके पास आओगे. वी विल गिव यू सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. वो सिचुएशन सिमिलर नहीं होने चाहिए. सो बेसिकली फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर उन्होंने आपसे पूछा दैट इन योर प्रीवियस एयरलाइन me a difficult situation that you had to face on board, तो आपने एक सिचुएशन बताया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यूअर्स आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि गिव मी अ सिचुएशन व्हेन यू हैड टू फेस अ डिफिकल्ट पैसेंजर ऑन बोर्ड, तो वो डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. सो बेसिकली आई होप यू गेट इट. उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंट राउंड था जिसमें उन लोगों ने हमसे बोला था कि इफ यू कैन स्विम देन योर स्विमिंग टेस्ट, एंड हाँ, स्विमिंग इज मैंडेटरी. सो उस टाइम पे उन्होंने ऑप्शन दिया था दैट इफ यू नो हाउ टू स्विम देन और swim test will be on so and so date. और जो कॉन्फिडेंट स्विमर नहीं थे उनको आई थिंक 2 वीक्स दिया गया था. मैं कॉन्फिडेंट स्विमर नहीं थी, एंड हमारा स्विमिंग टेस्ट उस टाइम पे पुलमन होटल में 4 feet डीप वाटर में हुआ था, विच इज नॉट मच, which is like this much water. उसमें आपको 25 meters unaided, like without any help, आपको swim करना पड़ता है 25 meters, like one end to the other end. And that was it. And हमारी joining आ गई थी April 2020 में. COVID आ गया, and then we got an email from Virgin Atlantic that we are sorry, we have to put you in holding pool, which is like a waiting area for 1 year, and then after a year we'll let you know. And then बीच में वो लोग अपने newsletters, mails वगैरह करते रहते थे. So after 1 year things were not good. Like हम सब ने hope छोड़ दी थी that we would get back to Virgin Atlantic. And बहुत ही tough time था वो सबके लिए ही, पूरी दुनिया के लिए. COVID period was really bad. In July 2022 they mailed us that we are starting with the process, and we are going to call you back and that was the best moment for me. In February 2023 हमारी ज्वाइनिंग आ गई थी, बट उन्होंने इस बार स्विमिंग टेस्ट दोबारा लिया था। उसमें बहुत लोग बैकआउट कर गए because this time the swimming test was in 13 feet deep water in Delhi का YMCA and you had to tread in water and वो आपको लाइफ जैकेट थ्रो करेंगे, आपको वो पहनना पड़ेगा ट्रेडिंग करते हुए. So it's a law basically in Europe and UK that whoever is in these kind of profession they have to know swimming, which makes sense also because अगर आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती तो आप दूसरों को कैसे बचाओगे. बट या लाइफ जैकेट होता है सबके पास तो बचा सकते हैं, बट स्टिल स्विमिंग इज अ लाइफ स्किल, तो सबको आना चाहिए. व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई जॉइंड, मेरे घर के पास एक स्कूल है जहाँ पे डीप वाटर स्विमिंग पूल है, वहाँ पे जाके मैं प्रैक्टिस करती थी. सो फॉर 7 days आई प्रैक्टिस देयर. माई मॉम, थैंक यू सो मच मामा, she used to come with me every time and she used to throw me like a t-shirt and then मैं ट्रेडिंग करके वो टी-शर्ट लेती थी और सिर्फ अपने गले में ऐसे डालती थी. सो दैट्स हाउ आई प्रैक्टिस्ड. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू कि अब इंटरव्यूज कैसे होते हैं आफ्टर कोविड, because things have changed a little bit. They opened new bases, so for that they had to change few things because उन लोगों को बहुत सारे crew चाहिए थे and आगे भी चाहिए होंगे. So now the interviews are exactly the same except for the one-on-one and the face-to-face interview. There are no face-to-face interview nowadays. The reason why I gave you my experience of the interview because it can go back to normal. Now let me talk about the questions that I got. Somebody asked me about having a tattoo. You can fly with a tattoo. It has to be neck down. और आपके लाइक अगर ये ऐसे छुप जाए यहाँ पे तो दैट्स फाइन, पर आपके फेस पे, कान में, यहाँ पे नहीं होना चाहिए. बाकी आपके हाथ में इफ इट्स विजिबल आल्सो इट्स फाइन. आप टैटू के साथ फ्लाई कर सकते हो. Somebody asked me that he is 33 years, flew for SpiceJet till 2017 और उसके बाद से he is doing some other job. So क्या वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? बिल्कुल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आपको एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि आप जहाँ पे भी उसके बाद आपने काम किया है उसका आपके पास प्रूफ है, एक्सपीरियंस लेटर है, ऑफर लेटर, एनीथिंग, और मे बी जस्ट एन ईमेल, बिकॉज जब वो लोग बैकग्राउंड चेक करते हैं इट्स वेरी फियर्स. बहुत ज़्यादा वो लोग इस चीज़ में ध्यान देते हैं और बहुत टाइम लगता है. बेसिकली जब आपका इंटरव्यू होगा वहाँ से लेके ज्वाइनिंग डेट विल बी लाइक अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बिकॉज मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था दिसंबर 2019 में और मेरी ज्वाइनिंग डेट अप्रैल में आई थी. So it takes that long, so be prepared for. So yes, you can apply even if you have not been flying for a long time, but you should have valid reason and all the proof required when they do a background check. Somebody asked me about health and medical requirements. Yes, you have to go through medical tests, but वो इंडिया में नहीं है और इंटरव्यू के बाद होता है. जब आप सिलेक्ट हो जाते हो, जब आप लंदन जाते हो अपने ट्रेनिंग के लिए, तब आपके मेडिकल टेस्ट्स होते हैं जो कंपनी खुद करवाती है. वो आपको लेके जाती है बकायदा, वहाँ पे आपका टेस्ट होता है एंड इट्स वेरी लाइक बहुत माइनर टेस्ट्स होते हैं, ब्लड टेस्ट वगैरह नहीं होता है. So basically there is no test for height and weight right now because your weight doesn't matter, height doesn't matter, as long as your feet are flat on the ground and you're perfectly seated on your jump seat with your seat belts fastened, you are good to go. Yeah, that was about the medical requirements. So somebody asked me about hair color and grooming standards and everything. As you can see, I have very light colored hair. इसके पहले मेरे एकदम लाल रंग के बाल थे. So unless आप एकदम ही मतलब नियॉन ग्रीन कलर नहीं कर रहे हो which doesn't look good on uniform, या फिर कोई भी ऐसा कलर जो यूनिफॉर्म के साथ नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है बिल्कुल भी, आपको पूरी फ्रीडम है, आप कोई भी कलर कर सकते हो. ग्रूमिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स यहाँ के यूनिफॉर्म को लेके है, बट यू कैन गो विदाउट मेकअप ऑन फ्लाइट. जिन लड़कियों को या लड़कों को मेकअप करना पसंद नहीं है दे कैन गो विदाउट मेकअप, and which is a very good thing because ऐसा पहले नहीं होता था. You know, being an air hostess, being a cabin crew, सब लोग सोचते हैं कि इतना सारा मेकअप मैंडेटरी होता है लगाना, but in this airline you don't have to. Somebody asked me about monthly roster. So in a month I fly only 5 times. That's the maximum. So आप 5 बार, मैं दिल्ली से लंदन जा रही हूँ वापस आ रही हूँ, फिर दिल्ली से लंदन एक हो गया, दिल्ली से लंदन जा रही हूँ वापस आ रही हूँ 2, लंदन जा रही हूँ, वापस आ रही हूँ 3, ऐसे करके 5 बार फ्लाई करती हूँ मैं, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड अमाउंट. और कभी कभी लाइक दिस मंथ आई एम ओनली फ्लाइंग 3 times. आपको लीव्स भी बहुत इजीली मिल जाती हैं. लास्ट ईयर आई हैड opportunity to be at home on Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Durga Puja, all these festivals. So, which is a good thing. आप family के साथ रह रहे हो, family के साथ time spend कर रहे हो. Now coming to the most favorite subject of everyone, which is the salary. मैं आपको exact amount नहीं दे पाऊंगी because I still work for the company. It is non-ethical to discuss salary, but I can give you an idea. Um, Somebody asked me that they are flying for Middle Eastern airline and they are living outside of India, and they are staying away from family and they are earning 2.5 lakhs. So how much would she get if she starts living with her family, and she starts working for Virgin Atlantic? So I can say you can earn half the amount, half of what she's getting right now. You can earn that much, and you get to live with your family as well. So I think living in India, earning in 6 digits is quite substantial, and you can take care of your family as well. You can have responsibilities and still live very nicely, as I do. Say it oscillates between 5 to 6 digits. Depends on how much you fly in a month, and it also depends on taxes. So you're paying taxes as well. Everybody had a question about why I only fly to London. Virgin Atlantic is a London airline, and they have flights from Delhi. People from different walks of life who don't understand English language. So that's when it's quite challenging for the London crew to understand and help them with anything. So that's when they require us, and that's why they hire us. All the safety announcements made on board, any kind of announcements, be it the written announcements which are made by the crew in English, are made by the crew in Hindi as well. So those Hindi announcements, we are there. And for all kind of ad hoc announcements, emergency, any kind of announcement regarding a passenger, any kind of announcements, we have to do those announcements in Hindi as well. And they were starting Manchester flights as well from Delhi. But since there has been some work going on in Manchester and there has not been much Indian passenger load and flight connections, so that's why they have not started it yet. But if it all depends on requirement, जब भी उन्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ required है, they would start a new destination. But for now, it's only London. And honestly, I don't mind. I would tell you something, that I love London and I love exploring new places throughout London. So it's always a very happy time for me during layovers. And also, I've flown in Jet Airways to most of the countries. I am quite okay with not flying to any other destination. But those who have not ever flown and only going to London, you might feel a little monotonous when you're flying initially, but उसके बाद I mean ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो फ्लाई कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ एक अपनी हॉबी या फिर कुछ भी अलग कर रहे हैं. If you want to study something, if you want to pursue your hobbies, you can do that, as I am doing. I am making YouTube videos, I'm making content on Instagram about my face painting and stuff. I have time to give to all of that. That's the good part. Also, I want to tell you about the training process. Earlier, when I joined, the entire training was in London, और आपको वहीं पे वो लोग होटल में रखते हैं, वो लोग उस चीज़ का ख्याल रखते हैं और वो लोग ही अलाउंसेस देते हैं. अब it has changed after COVID. Now they have the training in London, but it's only for 15 days, and the rest of the training happens in Delhi. About the transport of Virgin Atlantic in Delhi base and any other base. So Delhi has 2 departures, one in the middle of the night, you can say early in the morning, for that departure and arrival, because we arrive after midnight. So for that particular flight, we get transport from the company. तो दूसरा departure है हमारा, उसके लिए हमें transport नहीं मिलता. We take Uber, Ola or anything if you have your own car. So yeah, I hope I answered most of your questions. आपके कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो, प्लीज़ मुझे इंस्टाग्राम में डीएम करो. मैं कमेंट्स में सबके क्वेश्चंस इतने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ पाती हूँ बिकॉज कमेंट्स ये नोटिफिकेशन इतने इजीली नहीं आते फ़ोन पे, बट आप अगर मुझे डीएम करोगे तो दे आर मोर आई थिंक इट्स मोर पर्सनल, और मैं वो सारे डीएम्स चेक करती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम में, सो दैट विल बी ईजी. And also you can follow me on Instagram so that whenever the interviews are here I can tell you, and I can give you the notification key, guys, interviews here, and you can apply. Also, whenever the interview is around, I will make another video of a detailed process of the interview, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors, all kinds of interview that you give in your future, and I hope you get to fly with your dream airline as soon as possible. And happy flying. Bye.